Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about brushing your pool and netting your pool and why I do it in this specific order. So what do you say we dive right in? Alrighty, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like this video if you do by clicking that little thumbs up icon below this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, for more money-saving tips, charts, cheat sheets specific to your type of pool and filtration system, please check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. It'll come right across the screen here, poolschooler.com, and check out the video. Okay, so like I said, I posted a video probably a year or so ago maybe about my weekly pool service regimen, how I service pool. And I had a lot of comments about people asking me, why do you do your brushing and netting in the order that you do? And I had some comments really wondering as to why I do it in a certain order. And so I want to kind of go over that and just add clarification. In Arizona, typically most of our pools don't have a lot of vegetation in them, okay? So we're going to go back into one of my pools and I'll explain to you why I do it in the typical order. Typically, I brush the pool first after I do some of the other things, and then I net it. So usually my brushing precedes netting out the pool. And I'll show you why. We'll go back into one of my pools and take a look, and I'll show you why. So this is one of my clients' pools, and this is typical of most of my pools in Arizona. Now again, this is based on most of my pools. Some of my pools, there's a few that have a lot of vegetation around them, so I might do it in a different order. But typically, I brush a pool first, and that kind of frees up debris on the sides. And I always run my equipment for about an hour and a half to 2 hours after I'm done servicing a pool, just to help filter out dirt that I brushed off the side of the walls and things like that, and also helps mix the chemicals in. But you notice there is very little debris in the pool, okay? So in most cases, I will brush the pool down first, and then I will net out any debris that is still floating around, like there's a little leaf right there, okay? And one of the reasons I do that also is when you brush the pool down, a lot of the debris, or a lot of the stuff that's like leaves, if you notice way over there, I don't know if you can tell, there's a leaf that's right on the edge of the pool, okay? When I brush the pool down, those leaves tend to free away from the side. They kind of break free of the tile of the pool, and then I'm free to net out the excess debris when that time comes, all right? So again, that's why I do it. Now, mind you, if the pool has a lot of leaves in it, I will typically net out the majority of those leaves on the surface first, and then I will brush the pool down. So that's why I brush and net pools in the order that I do. Now, if your situation is different and your pool constantly has a lot of leaves and debris in it, you might want to net out the bulk of the debris and leaves first and then brush it down afterwards, all right? But that's why I do it in the order that I do, and I hope that makes sense. So folks, there you have it. That is my hopefully short video explaining the order in how I brush and net a pool and why I do it that way, with that one exception of excessive debris in the pool. Anyway, I hope it was helpful. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video, or if you'd like to, you can always email me. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen right here. As always, it's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. Please check out my membership website, poolschooler.com. And until we meet again, remember, have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids and elderly folk and your pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.